In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Buy Now button text in Shopify. We'll walk through a simple way to replace the default Buy Now text with your own wording, like Order Now or Checkout Now, without touching any theme files directly. All of this will be done inside the Shopify theme editor. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the option called Online Store and click on it. This will open a page that lists all of your themes with your current live theme right at the top. On that current theme, click Edit Theme to open the theme editor. Once the theme editor loads, look at the top of the screen for the page selector. It's usually set to Home Page by default. Click on that dropdown, then go to Products and select Default Product. This switches the preview on the right to a product page, which is where the Buy Now button lives. On the left panel, you'll see the sections for this product page. Find the product information section. There's a small right pointing arrow next to it. Click that to expand and reveal the blocks under it. Now click Add Block. From the list of block types that appears, choose Custom Liquid. This will add a new block to your product information area. Next, you'll want to drag and drop this new Custom Liquid block so that it sits directly under the existing Buy Buttons block. This controls the order in which elements appear on the product page. Once it's in place, click on the Custom Liquid block to open its settings. You'll see a large text box where you can paste code. In that text box, paste the exact code that you're provided with in the tutorial or documentation you're following. If you're working from an example on screen, feel free to pause the video so you can carefully copy everything and avoid typos. After you've pasted the code, look at the preview on the right side. You should now see a new button that might say something like Order Now. To change that wording, go back to the code in the text box, scroll near the bottom, and find the text that currently reads Order Now. Replace just that text with whatever you prefer, such as Checkout Now or Buy Today. Now we'll hide the original Buy Now button so you don't have two different buttons competing for attention. In the left panel, click the back arrow at the top of the product information settings to go back one level. Find and click on the Buy Buttons block. Inside its settings, look for the option called Dynamic Checkout Buttons and toggle it off. This removes the original dynamic Buy Now button from the product page, leaving only your new custom button with the updated text. You now have a customized checkout style button with your own wording. When you're happy with how it looks and works, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner of the editor to apply all your changes to the live store.